and measurement. We have studied in class 4th about different units of measuring lengths, weights and capacity. This system of measurement is called the metric system, which is based on decimal system. Let us learn more about this system. Measuring length. We know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Then 1 hectometer equals to 100 meter. Then we are coming down. 1 decameter equals to 10 meter. Then meter, basic unit. Then 1 decimeter is 1/10 of a meter. And then 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of a meter. And 1 millimeter is 1 upon 1000 of a meter. So we are going decreasing order: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, then meter, then decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now measurement of mass. We already know the standard unit or base unit to measure mass is gram. It is noted by G. Other higher units than gram are kg, hectogram, decagram, and units lower than gram are decigram, centigram and milligram. So representation of these units with their values is shown in the following chart. Like this is the standard units, these are the higher units and lower units. So standard units gram, then decigram, hectogram, kilogram. Okay, and here decigram, centigram and milligram. So you know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 1 hectogram equals to 100 gram, 1 decagram equals to 10 gram and 1 decigram equals to 1 by 10 gram, 1 centigram equals to 1 by 100 gram and 1 milligram equals to 1 by 1000 gram. This is decagram. Okay. Now the next is from the given chart we observe this relationship: 1 kg 1000 gram, as I told you, 1 hectogram 100 gram, 1 decagram 10 gram. So like this. So now measurement of capacity. We already know the standard unit or base unit to measure capacity is liter. It is noted by L. Other units higher than liter: kiloliter, hectoliter and decaliter, and units lower than liter are deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So how we can write it? So this is standard unit liter, this is decaliter, 10 liter, hectoliter, 100 liter, kiloliter, 1000 liter, deciliter 1 by 10 liter, centiliter 1 by 100 liter and milliliter 1 by 1000 liter. So from this above chart we get these relation. Okay, now we are talking about in decimal also. 1 deciliter equals to 1 by 10 liter. How we can write? 0.1 liter. 1 centiliter 1 by 100 liter means 0.01 liter, and 1 milliliter means 1 by 1000 liter, 0.001 liter. Now come to exercise 9.1, filling the blanks. Like A part, 1 decaliter equals to how many liter? 10 liter. Now see B part, 1 kilometer, how many meters? 1000. C part, 2 hectometer, how many meter? 100. D part, 1 decigram, how many gram? That is 1 by 10 or 0.1. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about conversion of metric units. Now conversion of bigger to smaller units. So to convert a bigger metric unit into smaller unit, what to do? Multiply by 10 for every step as we move towards the right. The most commonly used prefixes to the standard units of metric measure along with their conversion chain is as follow: किलो, हेक्टो, डेका, स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट, डेसी, सेंटी, मिली, ये सबके साथ प्रीफिक्सेस यूज होंगे. लीटर है तो किलोलीटर, मीटर है तो किलोमीटर, ग्राम है तो किलोग्राम, like this. Okay, so when we are going to kilo to hecto, multiply by 10, hecto to deca, multiply by 10, deca to standard unit, multiply by 10. And when we are moving towards like standard to deci, multiply by 10, deci to centi, multiply by 10, centi to milli, multiply by 10. And when we are going towards that, we will do later on. First we are talking about conversion of bigger to smaller, means multiplication. So example 1, convert 49 gram into decigram. So gram and decigram, so multiply by 10. So you know 1 gram equals to 10 decigram. So 49 gram equals to 49 into 10, that is 490 decigram. Example to convert 7 kiloliter 19 decaliter into decaliter. So 1 kiloliter, how many decaliter? 100 decaliter. You can see kilo to deca, 10 into 10, 100. So this 19 as it is, so 700 plus 19, 719 decaliter. Now example 3, convert 1.236 kilometer into the following units, like first hectometer. तो किलोमीटर से हेक्टोमीटर में जाना है तो multiply by 10. So this is the answer. Then decameter, so multiply by 100. This is the answer. Then meter, multiply by 1000. So answer is 1236. Now decimeter, so multiply by 10,000. This is the value. Now centimeter, multiply by ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh. This is the value. And then millimeter, so increase one more zero. This is the answer. Okay. Now brain booster, when a number is multiplied by 10, 100,000, you know very well the decimal point moves 1 to 3 places to the right respectively. Now next example 4, convert 3 kilometer 9 hectometer 5 meter into meter. So 3 kilometer को मीटर में लाने के लिए 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, हेक्टोमीटर टू मीटर 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, and 5 meter as it is now calculated. This is the answer. Now brain booster, measurement of length using meter as a base unit with prefixes like kilo, milli, centi, air, relating to units like kilometer, centimeter and millimeter. Now conversion of smaller to bigger units. So here division. So to convert a smaller to a bigger unit, divide by 10 for every step as we move towards the left. So like here milli to centi, divide by 10, centi to deci, divide by 10, deci to standard, divide by 10, standard to deca, divide by 10, deca to hecto, divide by 10, and then hecto to kilo, divide by 10. See example 5, convert 160 milliliter into liter. So how many 10? 1, 2, 3. It means divide by 1000. So because we know 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So milliliter से लीटर में जाएंगे तो 1000 से divide करेंगे. So 168 divided by 1000, this is 0.168 liter. Now example 6, convert 1.15 meter into hectometer. So 1 hectometer equals to 100 meter. It means meter से hectometer में जाना है तो divide by 100. So this is the answer. Example 7, convert 85 decigram 6 milligram into decigram. So we have to convert now milligram into decigram. So divide by 100. So this one as it is 85 decigram as it is, only convert 6 milligram into decigram. So 6 upon 100, this is 0.06 decigram. दोनों को add कर देंगे. This is the answer. Now example 8, convert 643 milligram into the following units. The first one centigram, you know 1 centigram equals to 10 milligram. So 643 को हम divide by 10 कर देंगे. This is 64.3 centigram. Now the second is into decigram. To divide by 100, 6.43 decigram. Okay. The next is C part gram, so divide by 1000, this is the answer. Now G part decagram, so divide by 10,000, this is the value. Now convert into hectogram, so divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, divide by 1 lakh, this is the value. Then convert into kilogram, so divide by 10 lakh, this is the answer. Okay. Remember, when a number is divided by 10, 100,000, the decimal point moves 1, 2, 3 places to the left respectively. You know very well. Now example 9, convert 7 liter 8 centiliter and 9 milliliter into liter. So it means 7 liter as it is 8 centiliter को convert करेंगे लीटर में, सो 8 डिवाइड बाय 100 एंड मिलीलीटर को कन्वर्ट करेंगे लीटर में तो 9 डिवाइड बाय 1000. सो 8 डिवाइड बाय 100, 9 डिवाइड बाय 1000. सो व्हाट विल यू गेट? 0.08 liter and here 0.009 liter. Now add all. This is the answer. Now exercise 9.2 based on such type of examples like the question number 1, answer the following. A part, how many decameters make 1 kilometer? So 100. Okay, then B, how many decimeters make 1 meter? 10, right? So similarly you can try these question. Now the second one, convert the following, like here B part, 8 decigram into centigram. So 1 decigram equals to 10 centigram. So 8 into 10, 80 centigram. Now E part, 18.852 kilometer into hectometer. So 1 kilometer equals to 10 hectometer. So multiply by 10. So what will you get? 188.52 hectometer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे third question है conversion. Fourth, fifth, like convert the following into decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Like here A part, 8256 liter. तो किलोलीटर में convert करना है तो what will you do? Divide by 1000. This is kiloliter. ओके और अगर हमें हेक्टालीटर में करना है तो डिवाइड बाय 100 हेक्टोलीटर एंड इफ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू डेकालीटर सो डिवाइड बाय 10 decaliter. So just write the answer. You will get 8.256 kiloliter. You will get 82.56 hectoliter and here 825.6 decaliter. So similarly you can try remaining parts, do the practice. It's very interesting and easy. Now come to operation on metric measures like addition. Example 10, add 10 kilometer, 8 hectometer, 9 meter, 7 decimeter and 5 kilometer, 6 hectometer, 8 decimeter and 12 kilometer, 9 meter and 1 decimeter. So we have to write the units according to their place value, like here meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer and here decimeter. Now just put the values, substitute the values. Now just write and then add. So this is the answer. Okay, or you can do in decimal form like this also. This is also correct. Now subtraction. Example 11, subtract 10 liter 255 milliliter from 16 liter 490 milliliter. So first arrange liter and milliliter columns. So just write the numbers and do the subtraction जैसे हम simple numbers में subtraction करते हैं. So this is the value, or we can do by decimal form like this, right? Now multiplication. Example 12, multiply 18 kg 5 hectogram 5 decigram by 14. So first arrange it according to the position. So this is 18 kg 5 hectogram 5 decigram. We are converting into gram. So 18 kg means 18,000. 5 hectogram means 500 and there is no decagram. So 5 decigram means 0.5 gram. So this is the value. Now multiply by 14 and this is the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Just be a little bit careful when you are doing such type of calculation. Now division. Example 13, divide 7 hectometer 8 decameter 6 meter 4 decimeter by 8. So first make it one number, means convert into meter. So what are you getting? You are getting 786.4 meter. Now divided by 8 जैसे हम decimal numbers को divide करते हैं. So this is the answer, 98.3 meter. Now exercise 9.3, question number 1, add. We have to do addition. So like here C part, 8 liter 88 milliliter. So first make two columns, liter and milliliter. 8 liter 88 milliliter. Don't write liter over here. I'm writing again liter, milliliter. 8 liter, 88 milliliter. But you know 1 liter how many milliliter? 1000. तो यहाँ पर आपको 3 digits लेने हैं, but 2 digits given, you will write it 088. You can't write 880, that would be 880. We have only 88, right? Now here 9 liter, 285 milliliter. So 9 here, 285 here, and the third is 5 liter and 5 milliliter. So this is 5 liter and 5 milliliter means 005. So now what to do? Add. Simple. So just write it carefully. Okay. Now see the second question, subtract here, like D part 26 centimeter 12 millimeter from 9 meter 27 centimeter. So first convert all these into centimeter. So what will you get? 26 centimeter and 12 millimeter. So this would be, you know, 12 millimeter equals to 12 by 10 centimeter, that is 1.2 centimeter. So what will you get? 27.2 centimeter. And convert this one also into centimeter. So what will you get? You will get 927 centimeter. So now you can do subtraction. So I hope this is clear to you, but you have to be little bit careful. Now see third question, multiply the following, like D part 34 kg 32 decigram and 6 centigram by 11. So first convert into kg or convert into gram, make a single unit and then multiply by 11. Okay, see here like 12 hectogram and 545 milligram by 10. So convert into gram. 12 hectogram is 1200 gram and 545 milligram. So divided by 1000, this is 0.545 gram. So we are getting 12.545 gram multiplied by 10. So what is the answer? Answer is 125.45 grams. So little bit careful you have to be here. Okay. Now similarly fourth question, divide the following and try these question. Now fifth, read these stories carefully and solve them. Like B part, a jar contains 7 liters of juice. The juice is poured into glasses, each of capacity 150 ml. How many glasses can be completely filled with the juice and how much juice would be left in the jar? So 70 लीटर को हम divide करने glasses में, divide यानी division. So 70 liter divided by 150 milliliter. So number of glasses, total quantity 70 liter divided by 150 ml. But the unit must be same. So we are converting liter into milliliter. So now you can cancel the terms. Now you know 70 you can divide it by 5, 5 is a 15 and 5 ones are 5, 14 5 is 70. Okay. Now we are getting 1400 upon 3. So 1400 को हम 3 से divide कर देंगे. So 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 3 6s are 18. So here 466 glasses ready and 2 milliliter juice is left, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about average. Average is a number which gives the central or middle value of the observations. It is defined as the sum of the observations or amounts divided by total number of observations or amounts. See average, sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Very simple. Now fun facts, average can be found of like measures or similar quantities only. Let us see the following given examples to make the concept more clear. Example 1, find the average of these numbers. So add all these numbers and how many are these? 6. So average is sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. So this is the answer. Question number 2, example 2. One mango tree produced 61 mangoes, another tree produced 95, and yet another tree produced 120 mangoes. What is the average number of mangoes that each tree produced? So sum of all the mangoes 276 and number of trees 3. So divide 276 by 3. So answer is 92. Okay. So now exercise 9.4, question number 1, find the average. So you can do it. The second one, solve the following. In a class test of mathematics, 5 friends obtained our following marks. So Mayur, Ayush, Pankaj, Anubhav and Akash, their marks given. So find the average marks obtained by them. So what will you do? Sum of the marks. So do the sum. 8 and 2 10, 6 16 and 4 20. So 0 here and 2 carry, 9 and 2 11 and 8 19, 28 35 and 9 44. So 440 divided by how many? 1 2 3 4 5 friends. So 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. 88 is the average. Okay. So very interesting. So now here B part, the annual pocket expense of 5 brothers is rupees this, and what is the average? So what to do? Add all and divide by 5. D part, one guava tree produced 65 guavas, another 70 and yet another tree produced 75 guavas. So what is the average? So total number of trees 3. So number of guavas, जैसे अभी हमने number of mangoes किया था, 65 plus 70 plus 75 upon 3. This is the average. First you have to write the formula. Average equals to sum of the guavas produced divided by number of trees. So now add it. So what will you get? 210. Divide by 3, that is 70. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of MCQ. Take the correct answer. Like the first one, the age of 5 students of class 5 is given. Find the average. You can do it. The third, the standard unit of capacity is liter. So take the A option. So 7.3 into 1000. What will you get? You will get 7300 gram. So this is not correct. So similarly, you can change into milligram. So decagram में करेंगे, hectogram में करेंगे, then you will get the answer. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now enhance your learning and some. Now there is one math lab activity and some life skills based question and case study, and we have some HOTS question also. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you.